Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Mike Mormile. I'm the GM of Digital Impact. I'm going to come show you guys the shop. Come follow me. So this is our office. This is where all the pre-press, job quoting, job management is done. Everything in the front end of the projects are all happened right here. We have the art department right here, which is Bart. We have Kevin right here in his desk, working hard as always. And then right out front of the office is the production floor. Pretty simple floor, nothing too big. All the equipment is right here. We have all the pre-press over here. So for the production floor, the pre-press end of it starts with Caldera Rip and ESCO automation. Two computers that we use. ESCO automation is something we've implemented in the past year, a very big time program for us to use. Just to blow through this real quick, I have 6 jobs that line up about 200 sheets. ESCO automation will take these jobs, align it and configure it in its optimal performance, as you can see right here, and basically arrange the sheets per the job orientation and output it, and saves me about 50 sheets overall between the 6 projects. Very great tool, very high powerful software. If you guys don't have this in your print shop, I highly suggest you do. It then takes this orientation of the job, spits it out to my die cutters. No more pre-press on the die cutter and it's ready to go. Pretty simple, great stuff. Right behind you is our Durst Row 900, which is our UV press. This can print roll to roll, prints on styrene, PVC, banner work, floor graphic, window graphics. Great machine, also has white ink. Come follow me behind the machine and we start off with the WT250 Durst. This is our newest addition here. This is a great machine. It's water-based ink set, eco-friendly, 100% recyclable, corrugate specific machine. We can print about 2,000 square feet an hour, fully automatic. This is a big game changer for us. Print quality is phenomenal. Lithographic, look-alike. Great machine. We couldn't be any happier with this thing. Right here we have the water-based technology ink set, as you see. All eco-friendly. 6-color machine. Light magenta, light cyan, cyan, magenta, yellow, black. Great quality, which you can see right here. All the colors, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, light cyan, light magenta, is obviously a huge factor, the eco-friendly of the ink set. Every display printed off this machine is 100% recyclable. The machine itself, the ink set, nothing gases off, there's no air release, there's nothing to breathe in, there's no transfer from display to product as far as food goes, which is one of the biggest reasons why we chose this machine, because we are a huge food packaging display house. My customer base is very demanding on a eco-friendly ink set, no gas off. Our carbon footprint right now is phenomenal for a print shop. Print shops are well known to be a dirty environment. We try to strive towards a very clean working environment, eco-friendly, all around, all the way down to the employees, to the end user. Another big aspect of this machine is the fully automation process. It is one of the few machines out there that is fully automatic. This is the back end of the machine. All your material lines up right here. This table, height adjusts to the amount of material you're printing. I will take you to the front end, show you the front end. One of the great things about a fully automatic press is the limited amount of people that you need to run the machine. Very big key factor for a print shop. Especially my print shop, because we have a multitask position. You have to print, you have to cut, you have to unload, you have to ship. We just don't sit on one machine. Every one of my employees can basically do all 4 functions of the print shop. So this is the front end here. Basically, right here you can see a stack of B-flute, corrugated, getting ready to print. And you know, once the buttons hit, the thing just flies through. We can print about 2,000 square feet an hour. Not super fast, but very respectable for the print industry as far as digital print goes, especially with the quality that we're printing, which is litho type quality. So once the machine is printing, the sheets then are transferred over to these ESCO die cutters. We can route on one of my ESCO machines, which is the XP44. It's a very big footprint as far as the sheet size. I can go 75 inches wide by 126 inches long, which is, you know, a very nice aspect for us because we could get a very big display done for a customer, whereas, you know, trying to go with a rotary die cutter or a true die cutter, you know, those are very limited in the plates or in the dies that have to be made. You know, very nice feature for us. Over here is the new guy, and as you can see, it sits very tall. The nice thing about that is I could probably fit maybe double the stack of material on here versus the ESCO machines, which is also great. You know, we could load this thing up overnight. It will cut through the night. You know, the functionality of this machine allows you to cut through the night. There's no dragging of a sheet, which then eliminates nicks and rub off with your prints, which is you know, kind of a big thing in the digital print world right now. You know, ink sets are not bulletproof. They're not, you know, set and migrated into the sheet. And the other aspect with digital is the turnaround times, very fast pace. You know, I have 24 hours to get a job done. So I'm going straight off the printers and straight onto a die cutter within 2 minutes of that sheet coming hot off the press, which is great. I don't have a lag time as far as letting the sheet dry and cure before it can get onto a die cutter, which is why we can turn jobs around very quick. This is the front end here, the load of the machine. You have the table here, which is very cool. We have a dual head feature machine. So basically I have 2 knives cutting and creasing at the same time, which essentially kind of doubles your output compared to a single head unit. Very reliable, you know, very robust unit. From the machine itself, which is, this is the engine, I would say. It goes off to the unloader, which then again we could stack, you know, same height as the loader. And we actually added another feature to this machine, which is really cool. As the machine is cutting, it automatically spits out the job for us. And then as you can see, my production manager, Jim, he is just pulling corners off of the material. The no nick, you know, functionality here. Very simple, very easy for us to break down. This is a very underrated part of the job that people don't realize with digital printing is the breaking apart of the project. As you can see, there's multiple outs on a sheet. It's not a 1-out sheet. So there's a lot of stripping, there's a lot of trash, which you can see right here. This is my trash compactor. This is where all the recycle goes. No landfill, straight to the recycle shop. And from here, it goes off to our tables, counted, assorted, skidded, boxed, freight, whatever the client wants, we can do anything for them. So from the award-winning WT250 to the no-nick operation to the recycle process, you know, we are here to offer you guys our services. We look forward to hearing from you.